Hello everyone, my name is Cynde. Welcome to KidSTEM, brought to you by the Pikes Peak Library District. Today we'll be exploring the relationship between potential energy and kinetic energy by making paddle boats. Potential energy is a term for energy stored, and kinetic energy is energy in motion. This is what you'll need. A clean, dry plastic bottle along with its lid, about the size of a disposable water bottle. It can be a drink bottle, shampoo bottle, ketchup or mustard bottle, or any clean plastic bottle. You can experiment with bottles of different sizes and shapes. 2 chopsticks, new pencils, the kind that haven't been sharpened yet, sturdy skewers, or any other straight sticks of equal size. Your sticks must be long enough to fit at least halfway along the edge of your bottle and then hang off the end by 4 or 5 inches. A plastic carton like a whipped cream tub or a kitchen wipe container. Or, if you don't have that, 2 plastic disposable spoons. Some rubber bands of different sizes. Some duct tape or packing tape. Scissors, a piece of paper, a ruler, and a permanent marker. If you don't have that, a pen will work. Line up your 2 sticks on opposite sides of your clean bottle along the length. Tape them into place using duct tape or packing tape, or if you don't have any tape, you can use rubber bands. Slide a rubber band over the ends of the sticks. It should be taut, but not so tight that it pulls your sticks inward. It helps if you loop your rubber band around the ends of the sticks. That way it won't fall off. From the paper, cut out a 2-inch by 3-inch template. Using the template, trace and cut out 4 2-inch by 3-inch rectangles from your plastic carton. The plastic should be soft enough to bend. This is going to be your paddle. Fold each of your plastic pieces in half, like this. And put them together with a piece of narrow duct tape, like that. When you're done, you should have all 4 pieces put together with the bends in the middle and flares to the outside. It should form a cross in the middle and look like this. Here's an alternate method. Using a strong scissors or wire cutters, cut 2 plastic spoons along the handle so that they are about 2.5 inches long. Then, using a narrow piece of duct tape, tape the spoons together at the handle with 1 spoon facing up and 1 spoon facing down. Slide your paddle between the 2 edges of the rubber band and tape it in place. Now it's time to try them out. You can sail your paddle boat in a bathtub or a swimming pool or even a quiet pond. You're going to take your paddle and wind it back and keep winding until that rubber band is nice and tight. But don't wind it too far because you don't want it to break. And then, while you're holding your paddle, set your boat gently into the water and let it go. Here's the science behind the project. Remember that part in the beginning about potential energy and kinetic energy? The wound rubber band stores the energy. The more you wind it, the more energy is stored. When you release the rubber band, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, or the energy of motion. Here are some more things that you can do. Would the boat go faster or slower if the paddle is moved closer to the boat? Does the boat go backwards if the paddle is wound in the other direction? Does a big boat go faster or slower than a small boat? When your boat's in the water, can you spot other forms of kinetic energy caused by the boat's motion? Can you think of other examples of potential and kinetic energy? Thanks for watching today. I hope you had fun. There are lots of other great experiments available to you on PPLD TV. Bye for now.